Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can stop or freeze a video on CapCut. So here I've already import a video, and what you need to do to stop or freeze is go to where you want to stop. For example, I'm going to stop here. Click on the video and then just at the bottom swipe through the menu until you find the freeze option. Okay, this one, click on freeze and you'll see the frame or the scenes that you choose will be freeze like this and become a picture for 3 seconds, but you can always trim it for you can make it short or make it longer. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.